Camarón que se duerme. I like this one. Camarón que se duerme, se lo lleva la corriente. Camarón que se duerme, se lo lleva la corriente. Camarón. What does camarón mean? Camarón is an animal, and it means, the literal meaning, well, shrimp. Camarón means shrimp. The shrimp. I mean, we don't have to say el camarón when using this saying, but essentially you're saying the shrimp that sleeps is taken by the current. That's what this means. Jesus, what are we talking about? Do you know the meaning of this? Not the literal meaning, but do you know when to use this saying? Camarón, shrimp, that que se duerme, sleeps. Dormir, usually, that means to sleep, uses these pronouns se, me, te, le. So keep that in mind. So it's like saying dormirse, okay? So it can be used in a reflexive way. And se duerme, se, we're talking again about camarón. So it's like saying eat, okay? So yeah, it's like saying eat. You're referring to the shrimp, el camarón. Lo lleva, se lo lleva, means is taken, okay? La corriente. I mean, we don't have by. We don't need by por. That's in Spanish, por. We're just saying la corriente, the current. So we don't need anything similar to buy in Spanish. So that's pretty much what you're saying. But essentially, we're talking about a sleeping shrimp that can be taken by the current because the shrimp is sleeping. So, oh my goodness. Let me see if I found a similar meaning or similar saying in English. Okay. So, similar to if you snooze, you lose. So this is what this saying means. So if you want to say if you snooze, you lose, you can say this saying. Okay, so essentially that's the same meaning. So if you are not paying attention, you can miss out an opportunity. I don't know, because you're not paying attention. So you better pay attention, because if you snooze, you lose. For example, I could say, aprovecha la oportunidad. Aprovecha la oportunidad. Camarón que se duerme, se lo lleva la corriente. So, aprovecha la oportunidad means take advantage of the opportunity. Okay? Seize the opportunity. And then the rest, if you snooze, you lose. So yes, aprovechar means a bunch of things. We should talk about this verb because you can use it in different situations for sure. Aprovechar, this here, or aprovecha, means to take advantage of. Good and bad. It could be you're taking advantage of a situation and it's not a good thing that you're doing that, or it could be something good as an opportunity to travel, to get a better job, a promotion, or something similar to that. but aprovechar means to take advantage of, to make the most of, okay? To make good use of. So it's similar to that. To take, sometimes it means to make the most of it, to take the opportunity to do something, you know? But essentially, yes, it's a very versatile verb. And when you say this, aprovecha, that means just take advantage of something, you know? In this case, la oportunidad. La oportunidad means the opportunity. Oportunidad. Am I missing a P? Oportunidad. Yeah, I'm missing I'm missing a P. The letter P. Two P's. Two P's. La oportunidad, the opportunity or the chance, okay? Camarón que se duerme, se lo lleva la corriente. If you snooze, you lose. So take advantage of the opportunity. So this is another great saying in Spanish. It's quite long, but it's a good one. So we're talking about a shrimp. That's so funny because I don't even know if shrimp sleep. Do you know? That'd be pretty funny to know. Maybe I'll Google that after this stream. If you know, please let me know.